I built the car in 4.5 months, which is unreal. So much metal work in this car. Usually this takes about a 1.5 years, 2 years to build. But I wanted to debut one at Hot August Nights, and this was the car that I debuted. And so I had to get it done. I'm Randy Weaver. I'm based out of Sandy, Utah, and we own Weaver Customs, in which we build high-end custom show cars. Obviously behind us, as you can see, modified 53 Chevy Bel Air. I wanted to do a little bit, like I said, throwback to some new school styling with this car. And it's never been done with a 53, 54 Chevy Bel Air. So I did a bunch of crazy body mods. And then for a motor, I did an LSX 376, which is all Holley equipped, you know, a Holley manifold that we modified to fit this twin supercharged setup that's on it. And it probably make like 650 horse, you know, 8 pounds of boost. So, and the car weighs 3,400 pounds, so it's not super heavy. Geared up in the back, big stall, so it runs actually pretty good. Yep, designed it all out of my head. You know, because I don't drive, so everything I just sleep on and come out the next day, and I'm like, well, this will look cool on this car, let's do that. So, but yeah, all the brushed black chrome is a really cool touch. And as you can see underneath, all the belly pans underneath are all in that as well. And then the gray, the gray I mixed up was a kind of a killer touch as well, is what I thought. Yep, suicide doors, gotta have suicide doors on a custom car. Again, kind of throwing it back with, you had a lot of new school styling, as you see all the front and balance treatments, the rear diffuser. You know, I lean the windshield back 1 3/4 inch, chop the roof 1 3/4 inch. Car's been wide body, wedge section. Obviously packing good tire underneath, 15-inch wide, 20-inch wheel. Wheelwood disc brakes.
Air ducts.
Yep, got you. Yep, that's for all your brakes. Yep, I do everything functional. You know, just like these ducts up here that feed air into the turbo, or, you know, supercharged. Everything's functional. I try to make everything functional on the car. And I want to do something, you know, like a pro touring car would, but yet custom. You know, so I engineered all that stuff, you know, all the cool little, you know, things that hold the harnesses, and then also black brush chrome them as well. Yeah, there's a lot of cool touches that yet, you know, I have to tell a person what's been done to the car because it's real subtle. You know, as the mohawk through the roof starts from the hood, all the way through the roof and through the deck lid. You got to look at it to see it. So it's just another cool touch. This is my second year, and I'll keep coming back. I have a new project for next year that'll be back here. I'm going to be wild like this as well. But yeah, Holley LS Fest is really cool. I enjoy it.
Awesome.
This is my wife, Sydney.
My turn. Pretty happy to be able to have a car built by my husband that we can go out and enjoy and haul around the country and kind of let everybody see what we're capable of.
You gotta have fun.
About fun. It's not worth it if it's not fun.
You gotta have fun.
Well, thank you all for coming out to LS Fest.
Thank you.
We'll see you here next year again.
Yep.
We'll be here.
We'll be here with a new project.